Baxter, so I purchased my countertops from Titan Granite. How long can I expect to be without my kitchen?
Well, that's the great news. You aren't going to be down at all.
Really?
You're going to have a functioning kitchen from the moment that you purchase with us.
Okay.
You're going to be able to wash your pots and your pans and cook and not be inconvenienced at all. We laser template. So what that means to you is when we do the digital layout, the template of your countertop, we don't have to remove anything.
Okay.
We shoot laser points on your walls based on, those dimensions. That's going to project what your countertop is going to be. And so we don't remove your old countertop until the day that we install your new countertop. So you're going to be out about 3 to 4 hours before you're going to have a functioning kitchen again.
So I'm only out my kitchen the couple of hours that it takes for you guys to install it, and then I can use it that day.
That's it.
All right.